Hey everybody, I'm William and I'm a front-end engineer at Tripgrid. For the non-technical people, that just means that I help build the user interface that customers interact with on a daily basis to accomplish their goals in our platform. So today I'm actually just going to do a short demo on showing you how to create a shareable itinerary or a group travel document in our document builder. So let's jump right in. I'm already logged into the Tripgrid workspace. As you can see here on this page, I'm on the all travel section, which shows you all the trips that have come through to this workspace through integrations or parsed emails or manual data entry. At this point, all the data has been tagged. And so I'm just going to jump into a grid view, which is a filtered view of all this travel data meeting certain filter criteria. So in this LA project travel, this is the grid view. The first section that opens is the travelers, and then at the very bottom, there's a travel section. This is all the flight and hotels and other travel data that meets the filter requirements that are set up here. And the travelers are showing up in here if they've been manually added or if they exist on any of the travel that existed in the travel section. So once this is all done, you can now create a document from this information. On the right sidebar, you'll see this document builder section. You can create a document from a template that you've created in the settings page if you're an admin. If not, you can also go into this expanded view, and there is a suggested document template section. So if you're not sure what you want to start with, you can select one of these and then it'll pre-fill with some blocks to get you started. I already have two documents created here. I have an individual itinerary and a master travel log. So I'm just going to start with the individual itinerary. Once this document is loaded, you'll see that I have some of these blocks already set up. So we've got this header block, office contacts, and I have a schedule block in here that's for April. So when you select one of the travelers from here, it'll bring up the itinerary for that traveler based on the trips that exist that meet that traveler. Once you have this in this order, you can then add some notes. So for example, for the Denver to LAX, maybe I might say April is driving herself to airport. And you could also add other events. So maybe on May 13th at 8 a.m., there is a rehearsal. Now you have this little item here that is inside of this itinerary that you created. So there's other things that you can do in the document builder. On the top right, you can see this preview share mode. This is what you will see if you're sending this out to people via share link. And then print preview is just kind of giving you a view of what it would look like if you generate a PDF. Now I'm going to jump into the other document that I have open, which is the master travel log. One of the great things about the document builder is that you can quickly add different types of blocks. So I'm just going to add a block right here. As you can see, there's a bunch of basic blocks, which would include things like text or image or attachments. And then you can also add tables. So I'm going to add a departure table. And with one click, you can see that I've already loaded in all these departures based on the travel that was in that grid view that is used to create this document. Inside of here, you can do other things like if you wanted to hide this row from the document when you're sharing it out, you can do that really quickly, turn it on or off. And then if you jump into the share mode, you will see that those things are no longer being displayed. So once you have your document ready to go, you can either generate a PDF by clicking this button on the top right to download it. The other feature that's really cool is that you can create this share link. And if you click this button, you'll copy the link to your clipboard and you can email this link to someone else. And then once they open this link, I'll show you here. The person that opens this link, when they don't have to be signed in, but they'll be able to see this information that you created in the document. The other nice thing is that these things update real time. So if someone were to change this reservation in the in the Tripgrid platform, and then they reopen this link, that would be reflected in this shared document. So that's just a few of the ways that you can use the Tripgrid document builder to create shareable docs. I can't cover all the different things that you could do in the builder because there's so many, but hopefully that gives you some ideas on how you could use it to create other value for your daily coordinating needs. If you have more questions, you can reach out to sales@tripgrid.com. Thank you, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks.